Experience the future of presentations with Xtro's advanced digital podiums, where technology meets elegance. Designed for modern educators, corporate leaders, and event professionals, our digital podiums redefine seamless presentations with cutting-edge features. These sleek, ergonomic podiums integrate high-definition touchscreen controls, built-in microphones, AI-powered voice recognition, and wireless connectivity to deliver flawless performances every time. Choose from audio podiums, hybrid models, or fully digital smart podiums with lecture capture, live streaming, and multi-device compatibility. Key features: all-in-one AV control. Manage presentations, lighting, and sound from a single interface. AI assistance. Real-time language translation, speech-to-text, and audience engagement analytics. Robust build. Durable, portable designs with cable management and anti-theft security. Certified quality. ISO, BIS, and CE compliant for reliability. Perfect for universities, conference halls, government events, corporate boardrooms. Upgrade your stage presence. 0120-3592-833 www.orbitwavesystems.com